Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pencil pouch for teen boys, the Della Gao large capacity pencil case. Whether for school, office, or everyday use, this pencil case stands out as a reliable and versatile organizer that meets the demands of active teens who need to keep their stationery neat and accessible. First off, the Della Gao pencil case impresses with its durable construction. Made from lightweight nylon material, it offers excellent water resistance and tear resistance, making it sturdy enough to handle the hustle and bustle of daily life. This means no worries about spills or rough handling damaging your pens and pencils. Plus, it's washable, so maintaining its clean and fresh look is hassle-free. The design focuses on capacity without bulk. It can comfortably hold up to 70 pencils, pens, markers, erasers, and even small electronic accessories. This generous space is organized smartly into two main compartments, allowing you to separate your items for quick access. There's also a handy front pocket specifically designed for your most frequently used pens or smaller tools, which makes grabbing what you need a breeze. But the Della Gao pencil case isn't just about function, it's built for multiple uses. While it shines as a stationery organizer, it also doubles as a cosmetic bag, an electronic gadget pouch, or even a small tool bag. This multifunctionality adds incredible value, especially for teens who like to switch up how they use their gear depending on their activities. The sleek and simple aesthetic gives it a clean, no-nonsense look suitable for any teen boy who prefers a classic style without flashy designs. The sturdy zipper and quality stitching provide a smooth, reliable closure, ensuring nothing falls out, even when the case is fully packed. Overall, the Della Gao large capacity pencil case is a well-thought-out product that balances practicality, durability, and style. It's perfect for keeping your essentials well organized whether at school, on the go, or at home. If you're looking for a pencil case that can handle plenty of supplies, stay durable over time, and look good doing it, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.